Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the science behind one of the most fundamental aspects of fire safety: how water extinguishes fire. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of combustion and discover the mechanisms that make water an effective fire suppressant. Water is a remarkable substance when it comes to fire suppression. Its effectiveness lies in its ability to act as a heat sink. Sarah McAllister, a fire combustion expert, explains further. Fire requires three essential elements to sustain itself: fuel, oxygen, and a heat source. Instead of directly combating the flames, water targets the fuel itself. When water comes into contact with burning fuel, such as wood or brush, it interferes with the combustion process. As Michael Goldner, a combustion expert, explains, when wood burns, the heat of the fire vaporizes substances in the wood, turning them into gas. This gas then fuels the fire. However, when water is introduced, it absorbs a significant amount of heat. Water's high heat capacity means that it requires a substantial amount of energy or heat to vaporize it. When the flame uses its energy to vaporize the water, it has less energy available to heat the fuel. As a result, the fuel is cooled down, and the flame's ability to sustain itself diminishes. The cooling effect of water also plays a crucial role in fire containment. By wetting the potential fuel, such as structures or vegetation, water prevents the fire from spreading. This strategy is employed in sprinkler systems, buying firefighters valuable time to respond. In certain scenarios, where water directly applied is not ideal, specialized techniques come into play. For example, in enclosed spaces like server rooms, water misting is utilized. This approach involves misting tiny water droplets into the room, displacing oxygen and cooling the flame. While water is an effective extinguishing agent, it's not always feasible in certain situations, such as wildland fires. In these massive fires, it becomes challenging to deliver sufficient amounts of water to the required locations, as Sarah McAllister explains. In the case of wildland fires, water is often used to slow down the fire rather than extinguish it completely. It provides some time for other firefighting methods to be employed effectively, but it's not a definitive solution. Water's remarkable ability to absorb heat and cool fuel makes it a powerful tool in fire suppression. By disrupting the combustion process, it helps contain and subdue fires, providing crucial support to firefighting efforts. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the science of how water extinguishes fire. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating content. Until next time, stay safe and remember the importance of fire safety.